Welcome to the chili recipe and I am Dimpal Shah. Today we are here with a new recipe called a minty paneer chili. A nice flavor to a paneer chili. So let's have a look on the ingredients. Thick sliced paneer, maida, corn flour, finely chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, sliced onions, garlic paste, ginger paste, green chili paste, spring onions, soya sauce, Szechuan sauce, salt to taste, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, black pepper powder, Ajinomoto, baking powder, chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves, oil for deep frying, water as required. For making the minty paneer chili, we have to prepare one slurry. For making the slurry, we will take maida and corn flour in equal quantity. Here we are taking 3 tablespoons of maida and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Two to 3 tablespoons of maida, pinch baking powder, pinch Ajinomoto, salt to taste, now we will mix it properly, add water as required. Now give a nice mix and prepare a thick slurry. We will add 1 more spoon of maida to make it more thick. Our slurry is ready. Now we will start the gas and heat the oil properly. Our slurry is ready. Now we will add the paneer in it and coat it very properly. The oil has been heated properly. Now we will fry this coated paneer. Now deep fry it properly until it becomes red. It has been fried properly. I am taking it out from the oil. Here our frying process is complete. As our frying process is completed, now we will cut the extra edges to give a nice look to our paneer. Our cutting process is completed. Now we will transfer this paneer into one bowl. Now for the further process, we are taking a pan and add some oil. Heat the oil. Then add green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, chopped capsicum, 2 teaspoon of chopped capsicum, two teaspoon of chopped onions, then give a nice mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato, two tablespoons of spring onions, and give a nice mix. Now add fried paneer, green chili paste, red chili paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, one teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander, salt to taste, and black pepper powder. Again give a nice mix. Mint gives a nice flavor to this paneer chili. You may also add the mixed herbs, parsley, oregano to this. Our minty paneer chili is ready. Now let's transfer this paneer chili into the platter. As it is the mint flavor, it smells very nice. Now let's garnish it with some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, and some spring onions. So our minty paneer chili is ready, a perfect treat for the mint lovers. Enjoy. Thank you.